Hello amigos and flamingos, welcome back to another Creative Friday. I have so many wonderful things planned for today. We have a really exciting art project that we're going to work on today. We have a great canvas that's blank. Think of all the wonderful things that we're going to paint on it. And of course, I have a ton of brand new acrylic paints. Remember the other day when I told you that it was 2020 and we were going to step it up? Guess what, guys? It's 2020. We're stepping it up. We are no longer going to be using the paints that we purchased at Walmart. They're great, they're very inexpensive, and they do the job, but we need to step it up a little bit and create some real art like the real artists do. So I decided to go to a local store and buy some really cool acrylic paints. The type of acrylic paints that real artists use. You're an artist, I'm an artist, we're real artists. We're gonna step it up. Let's talk about the paints that I purchased. I have the primary colors, which are red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and violet. And in addition to those colors, I bought my favorite color. Can anyone guess what my favorite color is? Cerulean! Yay, cerulean! And I also purchased, guess what I purchased? This really neat pink. It is called Opera Rose. And we're going to use this for our roses that we're going to paint on our canvas. So I bet you're asking, everything's falling apart. I bet you're asking, well, what are we going to paint, Mr. Rueda? Well, let me think. I definitely want to have a garden because I love gardens. I love anything that has beautiful flowers and beautiful trees. So we're definitely going to implement some roses in there. Just imagine, we're going to create a really nice pathway that we can walk on. And we're going to have beautiful flowers to our left and beautiful flowers to our right. And what do we see off in the horizon? Well, we see the sun. But before I begin, I just want to thank all of you who sent in your paintings from 2 weeks ago. I loved them. They were so creative. I loved how you implemented your own style into the work of art that we did together. And that's what we have planned for today. But I have to ask you, do you know what day it is? It's Creative Friday! So, are you guys ready for this? Let's get started. Grabbing some yellow because we are going to make a sun. I'm going to make some gray, so I'm going to use a little bit of black and some white. As you can see, there's a bit of blending in there, and it goes from light to dark. Get some more green. We're going to use lots of it. We are going to begin our foliage by gently tapping. Now I'm going to get my magenta because I want to add some beautiful flowers. Oh my. Did I say magenta? No, this is not magenta. This is opera rose. It's very, very bright. Looks like a neon pink. Let's see how it looks. Tiny little dots all along the pathway. See, the wonderful thing about using acrylic paints that are not from Walmart is that you see how it stands off the canvas? That's what you get when you spend a little bit more on acrylic paints. Reason being, they're thicker. The correct term is viscosity. Has to do with the thickness of your acrylic paint. Basically means thickness. That's a great word for you guys. For example, let's talk about maple syrup. Is the viscosity going to be high or low? Well, it would be high because it is thicker, whereas the viscosity of water is lower, right? So there's your word for the day. Viscosity. Viscosity. So now that we have our, we'll call them roses, let's add another color. We'll do another row. What's that? Purple. Ooh, let's get some blue bonnets in there. Yay, blue bonnets. Do we have purple? Yes, I believe we do have purple. Here it is. So, what do, boys and girls? We grab our primary color and we add some white. Using a little palette knife. Ooh, look at that. I'll be zooming in on this so y'all can see it. Ooh, look at that. I see you. And I believe we are done with our blue bonnets. So what do you say we throw in some red flowers in there? And that's it. Wow. And we're done, amigos and flamingos. I'm very pleased with the outcome. The question is, do I like these or do I like the ones from Walmart that cost 50 cents a bottle? These babies cost $6 per tube. Which ones do I like? I'm going to say these because they're thicker and you can see the detail in your work. So just to give you guys a close-up of this, this is what we came up with. Do you see how it stands? And it stays. With the ones from Walmart, it's like water, they just seep into the paper. So I do prefer these. I certainly look forward to using these more and learning new techniques so that we can make some really pretty flowers. Big flowers that you could see. What will we call this? I'm going to call it Sunset. But it's not finished unless it has my signature. Ooh, fancy. Boys and girls, I have an official signature, and it is this one. That is a signature I'm going to use on all of my paintings from this day forward. Okay, and that's it. Thank you so much for joining me. I had quite a bit of fun with you guys today, and I look forward to seeing you next week. Till then, be good. Take care, be kind to one another, and virtual hugs for you all. Bye!